mga kanegosyo may gabi na pod tay bag-ong vlog karon nga sesyon mag Muay Thai di na sa mga gagmay at terus mga dagko sa kauban na ato ni tan-aw ni ang abilidad karon mga kanegosyo ha padong na mo to.
Try to practice your control. Ate, ano natin? Oy! You can walk.
Wala akong respect na sa bawang.
Everybody wants a piece now. Joker rest in peace now. You're dead to me, so peace out. Remember you're just freaked out. Get ready for defeat now. I'm gonna make you bleed out. Listen on repeat now and beat out all the weak now. Get up and make the change. Don't remember yesterday. If you got something to say, speak your mind before your break. Cause your life is yours to say. And nobody's gonna change. Everybody stays the same. So be different, make a change, huh? Just like a soldier.
Watch on the side that shit.
Warm up.
Ridiculous and limitless, while others out there spitting shit got hits up all the drugs and shit. I see why society. Just like a I don't give a fuck what you say. I'ma do shit, mom. All your music in arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth and just save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 ways, people change it. Lyrics developing intelligence and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Well, that's a mainstream. Focus on your future. We all start losers. And all I like for is gonna sell them to the floor. I'ma do shit my way. So you don't kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, do what I want to. I don't make so much, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the big pieces. You wanna play tough, and wanna hate this. I'll always show up.
Ready? Go! Just follow my lead. Pero nga stars po ba?
And wanna hate this. I'll always show up and make a statement.
Get in here. Pause. Straight that arm. Straight the arm. Stop fixing yourself. This is not a party. Let's go. It's normal to look ugly here. Let's go. Keep going. Come on. Okay, switch. Right hook on the body, left hook on the body. Okay? So make sure you put power on it. Yeah. You understand? Just work the poor punches. So, second one, check. Yeah, with me. Yeah. it twice. Okay? One more. 1, 2. Right check. Yeah. Right kick. Yeah. Clear. Second one. Same thing. 1, 2, 3. Left check. Yeah. Then left kick. Yeah. Okay? Question. No, up. Yeah. Again, up. Yeah. One more up. Yeah. Yes. Okay, one. Pusa. Yeah. Up. Up. Yeah. Oh, ha. Yeah. Target mo. Yeah. Two more. Yeah. She there. Ayaw yung ginawag ng kamot. Go. Yeah. Ayaw na ginawag. Diara na. Go. Okay, kick. Kick. Yeah. Two. Yeah. Forward ng kick. Go. Yeah. Ha. Yeah. Two. Ah. One, two. Yeah. Up. Yeah. Dua. Ah. Nga. Yeah. Pagkahit mo no. Go. Yeah. Ano ang tumoy? Anong go? Kahit ang tumoy. Go. One. I did not say elbow. I said one. One. Yeah. Two. Yeah. 1, 2. Yeah. Balance. 1, 2. Yeah. Go down. 1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Go. See, your leg is too forward. Look at me. Not this one. Go. Yeah. Bend the knee. Yeah. 1, 2. Yeah. Jump. Elbow. Yeah. Elbow. Yeah. Yeah. Say hook. Three. Knee. Yeah. Oh, knee. Yeah. Look the front. Knee. Yeah. Over. Overrun. Yeah. Power. Let's go. Yeah. Power. Yeah. No power. 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 Let one off. Power. Yeah. Murag bago yung buwang. Yeah. Okay, mo. Yeah. Power. Ah. Power. Yeah. Elbow. Yeah. Hands up. Elbow. Yeah. Move. Ah. Ah. Okay. This is 15. Ready? You do this one.
Aman naman sila.
Okay. Ready? Go.
Aman eh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Kapoy
12, 13, 14, 15. Huh? Okay. Next one. 30. You count your own. So the count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 30. Let's go. Start, go. Sige, sige lang. 2, 3. Let's go. Count your own. Count your own. Here, 7 there.
Last one.
Go. Promise after that, wala na.
Go.
But you have to do 1 minute hold. Go, ready? Go. Go. Yeah. Yeah.
Nahulot ang posisyon no. Zero si Stalman. Dito Ito nagtapos ang ilang training sa Muay Thai mga kasi. Sunod na mga uli na eh.
Balikin yung shin guard sila. Wala pa yung shin guard sila.
Salamat yun.
Balikin yung shin guard ba? Okay, mag-sparring naman na sila po. Inani ba?
Babu. Mga babu. See you next time.
Yeah.